The GLA. The GLA serves as the entry point into Mercedes Benz's SUV lineup, but it has evolved far beyond simply being a lifted hatchback. Introduced in 2014 and now in its second generation, the GLA is designed for buyers who want the luxury and technology of a Mercedes without stepping into a large SUV. Built on a compact platform shared with the A-Class, it offers a surprisingly upscale interior filled with digital displays, ambient lighting, and advanced driver assistance systems. Modern versions are powered by turbocharged four-cylinder engines, while performance-focused AMG models push output well beyond 300 horsepower. The GLA's compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city streets and parking garages. Yet its higher ride height provides a commanding driving position that many buyers prefer over a traditional sedan. For many customers, the GLA is their first introduction to Mercedes SUV ownership. The GLB occupies a unique position within the Mercedes lineup because it prioritizes practicality over sleek styling. Introduced in 2019, it offers something rare among compact luxury SUVs: an available third-row seat. While that third row is best suited for children or short trips, it gives the GLB seating for up to 7 passengers, something few competitors in its class can match. Its boxier design provides significantly more cargo space and headroom than the GLA, making it a favorite among growing families. Under the hood, turbocharged four-cylinder engines deliver a balance of efficiency and performance, while the AMG GLB 35 transforms the practical crossover into a surprisingly quick performance vehicle. The GLB essentially combines the maneuverability of a compact SUV with some of the functionality of a larger family hauler. The GLC has become one of Mercedes-Benz's most important and best-selling vehicles worldwide. Replacing the old GLK in 2015, the GLC was designed to compete directly with luxury SUVs like the BMW X3 and Audi Q5. It strikes a balance between comfort, technology, practicality, and performance that appeals to a wide range of buyers. The current generation features a sophisticated suspension system, a highly refined cabin, and one of the most advanced infotainment systems in the segment. Turbocharged four-cylinder engines provide strong performance while maintaining respectable fuel economy. Buyers looking for more excitement can step into AMG variants that dramatically increase horsepower and handling capabilities. The GLC's success comes from its versatility. It is equally comfortable commuting through traffic, taking long road trips, or handling light off-road conditions. The GLC Coupe. The GLC Coupe takes the foundation of the standard GLC and adds a more aggressive, sport-oriented design. Introduced as Mercedes' answer to vehicles like the BMW X4, the GLC Coupe features a dramatically sloping roofline that creates a fastback appearance. The design sacrifices some rear headroom and cargo space, but many buyers are willing to make that trade for the more athletic styling. From the front, the vehicle looks nearly identical to a standard GLC, but the rear profile completely changes its character. Performance-oriented AMG versions are particularly popular because the coupe-like shape complements their sportier mission. The GLC Coupe appeals to buyers who want SUV practicality but prefer the appearance of a high-performance luxury vehicle. The GLE. The GLE represents the heart of Mercedes-Benz's midsize luxury SUV segment. Originally known as the M-Class before receiving its current name in 2015, the GLE has long been one of the company's most important vehicles. It offers significantly more interior space, comfort, and capability than the smaller GLC while remaining manageable for everyday driving. Buyers can choose from a wide range of powertrains, including turbocharged 6-cylinder engines, V8-powered AMG models, and hybrid variants. One of the GLE's standout features is its advanced suspension technology, including available air suspension systems that can dramatically improve ride quality. Inside, the cabin combines premium materials, massive digital displays, and luxury features that rival many flagship sedans. For families wanting a luxury SUV without stepping into full-size territory, the GLE often hits the sweet spot. The GLE Coupe. The GLE Coupe takes the mid-size luxury SUV formula and gives it a much more aggressive personality. Introduced to compete directly with vehicles like the BMW X6, it combines the size and performance of the standard GLE with a dramatically sloping roofline. The design creates a more athletic stance while maintaining much of the vehicle's practicality. MG variants have become especially popular because the coupe styling pairs naturally with high-performance powertrains. Models such as the AMG GLE 63S produce over 600 horsepower and deliver sports car-like acceleration despite weighing thousands of pounds. The GLE Coupe is aimed at buyers who value style and performance as much as utility, creating one of the most visually distinctive vehicles in Mercedes' SUV lineup, the GLS. The GLS serves as Mercedes-Benz's flagship traditional SUV. Often described as the S-Class of SUVs, it combines full-size dimensions with luxury features typically reserved for the company's most expensive sedans. The GLS offers 3 rows of seating and enough space to comfortably transport 7 adults, making it one of the most luxurious family vehicles on the market. Powerful 6-cylinder and V8 engines provide effortless acceleration despite the vehicle's size. Advanced air suspension systems help deliver a remarkably smooth ride, allowing the GLS to glide over rough roads with minimal disturbance. High-end trims feature massaging seats, premium audio systems, extensive ambient lighting, and luxurious materials throughout the cabin. For buyers seeking maximum comfort, the ultra-luxury Mercedes-Maybach GLS elevates the experience even further with executive rear seating and limousine-like amenities. The GLS represents Mercedes' answer to vehicles like the Range Rover and Cadillac Escalade while maintaining the brand's focus on refinement and technology. The G-Class. The G-Class, commonly known as the G-Wagon, is unlike anything else Mercedes-Benz builds. Originally developed as a military vehicle in the late 1970s, the G-Class has retained its iconic boxy design for decades while evolving into one of the world's most recognizable luxury SUVs. Its flat body panels, exposed door hinges, upright windshield, and distinctive silhouette have become status symbols across the globe. Beneath the luxury lies genuine off-road capability. The G-Class uses a body-on-frame construction, 3 locking differentials, and a robust 4-wheel drive system that allows it to tackle terrain many luxury SUVs would never attempt. Modern versions combine this rugged capability with handcrafted interiors, premium leather, advanced technology, and powerful engines. The AMG G63 has become the most famous version, using a twin-turbocharged V8 producing well over 575 horsepower. Despite weighing nearly 3 tons and retaining much of its original military-inspired design, the G63 can accelerate like a sports car while maintaining legendary off-road credentials. The G-Class has successfully transformed from a utilitarian workhorse into one of the most desirable luxury SUVs on the planet, making it both a symbol of wealth and one of the most capable vehicles Mercedes-Benz has ever produced.